Okay, guys, let's cut the dragon fruit. And guys, be careful with knives if a grown-up is not around. This is how you use this kind of knife with a lid. You place it like this, hold the knife and it's for not chopping your fingers. Ooh, look at that juicy insides. I don't want to eat it away. Okay, let's keep slicing it, but careful. Ooh, that's a big slice. This one's a hard slice. And it's a perfect one too. Keep slicing. This is the insides. Yeah. Let's cut in half. This is how you normally cut. Then peel it with your hand. Ooh. That's satisfying. Okay, let's try a piece. It's a little bit crunchy, but super juicy. I love it. It doesn't have a strong flavor, but it's super fresh and nice, which I love.